YouTube, man. What's good with y'all today, man? Hey, man, I appreciate everybody who checked out the long tube header install video, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that video is going crazy right now. If y'all haven't checked out, we do got the headers on the 5.7 HEMI Chrysler 3 Honda, you feel me? The crazy thing, I ain't gonna lie, it's louder than some scats and some cats right now. I wasn't expecting that, I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was gonna at least, like, you know, sound the same, but I sound louder than them, bro. It's actually crazy. So make sure y'all go check out that video if you don't believe me. Also, y'all got the 200 likes on last video, so I gotta go drifting, bro. Today is not the video I'm about to do it, but the next video after this one, bro, we drifting with the headers, man. We drifting with the headers, and we gonna go crazy. We gonna cut up with the headers and all that, bro. So it's gonna be a live, action-packed video next video. But this video, as y'all can see by the title, man, I've been having a lot of people in my DMs ask me, are Chryslers reliable, bro? I don't know where, you know what I'm saying, the stereotype of Chryslers not being reliable. Maybe the old gens, you know, 2010, 2011, 2012, maybe. But I have a 2022 Chrysler 300, you know what I'm saying, S 5.7 HEMI. And today I'm about to do the 50,000 mile review, you know what I'm saying? We halfway to 100K on the miles, you feel me? So I'm about to give y'all a review and let y'all know the pros and cons so far about the car. I had the car for about, I think about 2 years now, bro. I think I had it for about 2 years so far, or at least coming up on 2 years. And I'm about to tell you all the problems I've been having, all the good things that come with the car, and all the bad things that come with the car. So make sure y'all drop the like on this video. This is gonna be an informational video today. It ain't gonna be that much action packed. Next video gonna be crazy, like I was saying. Enough of that talking. Let's get straight into the video about the Chrysler 3 Honda. You know what I'm saying? 5.7 HEMI. You feel me? 50K review. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Where the miles exactly at? Let's start this bitch up real quick for y'all boys. So bam, there it is right there. The miles exactly. We are at 53. Okay. My bad, John. This ain't 50K, but 53, it ain't that much different. We have 53K, basically 50K, you feel me? We have 53,000 miles. I think I got the car at 19,000 miles. So we only put about, you know what I'm saying, 30K in about 2 years, which ain't terrible, about 15 a year. The first year I had it, I was dogging the fuck out of it. I ain't gonna lie. I put like 20K the first year. And then I ain't gonna lie, the second year having it, I've been kind of chilling for real. You feel me? I ain't been going too crazy with it. Only put probably like another 10,000 on there. But yeah, we have 53,000 miles right now. I know y'all see that check engine light. I'm actually about to insert a clip right now because the engine light is on only because we just put the headers on, you know what I'm saying, about 2 days ago. And I haven't got the extra extension, you know what I'm saying, O2 sensor extension wire yet. That didn't come in yet. But once we get that in, this engine light gonna be right off. And we got the tune on. We're gonna do a video about the tune as well. But that's the only reason the engine light is on. All right, guys, this is a part of the 50,000 review on the Chrysler 300. This is just me. I got my headers right here. I'm about to put my headers on. Just wanted to show y'all there is no engine light on with this car when you hit 50,000 miles. It's been reliable as hell. So just wanted to show y'all this because by the time y'all see this video, the engine light gonna be on because I just put these headers on. So now let me cut this off real quick. We're gonna do a rundown on the car. You know what I'm saying? If y'all haven't seen, you know what I'm saying, the updated car, this is the full update of the car. You feel me? The big Chrysler 3 Honda. This thing sitting cool, you know what I'm saying? I need some bigger tires. Right now I'm on 245s on the front and back. I think I'm about to go 275s all around, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Get a little bit more space closed in on the, you know what I'm saying, on the lowering springs and everything. But I'm gonna just give y'all a quick rundown. This thing looking nice, pretty right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, we are gonna get this thing wrapped, man. Y'all let me know in the comments, what should we wrap the car, you feel me? I got a couple colors in mind. We gonna keep the yellow Brimbos, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got the dog emblem on there, you feel me? Making the first, you know what I'm saying, dog pack, the hell dog, whatever you wanna call it. About to build this thing up. Yeah, comment right now what color we should do for the Chrysler 300, bro. I don't know if we should do black, you know what I'm saying, some type of gray, or some type of like popping color like lime green or something. I don't know, bro. Y'all let me know in the comments right now, though. We definitely gonna get that done probably by the end of the summer or like in the middle of summer, you feel me? Yeah, man, this thing came a long way, you feel me? We switched the hood from the Viper hood to the Hellcat hood. I did a video about everything, you feel me? Everything looking nice and smooth. You know what I'm saying? We got the 5-inch tips at the bottom and shit. So this car really came a long way, bro. And Chryslers are just different, bro. I like Chryslers better than, you know what I'm saying, Chargers and Challenges. I like Chargers and Challenges and stuff too. But like the Chrysler, bro, is just different, bro. You know what I'm saying? A lot more people are starting to, you know what I'm saying, try to get into the Chrysler scene, you feel me? Because it's just a different, you know what I'm saying? You got luxury and you got speed, you know what I'm saying? They got the same engines and shit, got the same chassis, you feel me? The only difference is just the body style. You know what I'm saying? It's a little heavier than the Challenger and Charger, but you know what I'm saying? Only by a little bit though, not too much. So man, enough of that talking, man. Let's get into the review about the Chrysler 3 Honda, man. So we hit 53K miles on this thing, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I literally haven't had one problem, like mechanical problem with this car. when it comes to the engine or transmission and things like that, or my computer, my electronics and stuff like that. Nothing is wrong at all. I haven't had one single problem. Let me knock on some. Damn, it ain't no wood around this bitch. You know what? Fuck that. We run. Hell no. We gotta knock on some wood. Fuck that. Oh, come on, bro.
A few moments later.
But like I said, man, we haven't had any issues or anything like that with the car breaking down or, you know what I'm saying, starting up, anything like that. Nothing has been wrong with the car. The only mechanical issue we had with the Chrysler, bro, is my damn my panoramic sunroof, bro. It's something. I guess I just need like some W fuck, what's that shit? 240? What? Damn, WD-40. I'm tripping, cuz. Because I ain't gonna lie, every time I drive right now, it's like something around this is squeaking. Like I guess it's like dry or something. Every time I drive, if I do a POV drive or something, you're gonna hear like a squeaking noise in my sunroof. So I looked it up online. A couple people had the same issues. They say some WD-40 gonna work. So I actually need to see if that's gonna fix it. But that's the only problem I've had mechanical wise, technically, with the car, Brad. And it's not even that loud. It's just a slight squeak. When you hit a bump or something, you're gonna hear a squeak on top of your on top of the car. But besides that, I haven't had any problems. That's the biggest, you know what I'm saying, mechanical issue, like I said, with the car. Now, the problems we definitely been having with this car right here, I'm gonna keep it a $150, and I've seen it more with Chryslers. I've seen a lot of people with Chryslers. I've seen people post their steering wheel on Chryslers on like Instagram and stuff like that. I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna have to get a lot of wheel alignment. Maybe because I'm sliding. I don't know. Even when I don't slide, bro, I hit a pothole or anything, bro, your wheel alignment is gonna get off a lot, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You're gonna have to get a new wheel alignment like damn near every 4 or 5 months. My wheel alignment costs like $100. I actually just got a wheel alignment because I hit a pothole in St. Louis. St. Louis so goddamn trash. You know what I'm saying? I hit a pothole. I needed a wheel alignment, and I have to change one of my rear lateral arms, bro. The pothole bent my lateral, I ain't gonna lie, I bent all my control arms on my car, bro. I had to get them all replaced at a point. I got them fixed, and then my back right one got messed up again. So that's not the car's fault, you feel me? I guess that's the, you know what I'm saying, St. Louis fault. But so yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, St. Louis, y'all gotta fix our potholes, bro, because it's messing my car up. But a lot of times, bro, I see other people from other states, they Chrysler steering wheel, I ain't gonna lie, this thing be turned to the right all the way over here, bro. So it's not just me. I think it's just a Chrysler thing. The wheel alignments aren't the best on these, but that's not like a huge problem, you know what I'm saying? Just get a wheel alignment, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Find a plug or something like that, and you just gonna have to get one every, you know what I'm saying, 3, 4, or 5 months, you feel me? So those are kind of the major issues I've had with the car so far, dealing with the 50K miles. Like I said, no engine problems, no transmissions problems. Like I said, the engine light's on just because I just got my headers on and I, you know what I'm saying, don't got the O2 sensor. Extension cord, but that's literally the only reason. But this thing has been very reliable. I've actually was dailying it. I was dailying this car from 19K to about 45K. I got a daily now, so I don't daily anymore. But was dailying it every day, bro. Pushing it on weekends, you know what I'm saying? Chilling. Went on road trips, you know what I'm saying? Went to ATL for slide shows. Went to Kentucky for slide shows. Went to Chicago for slide shows. And everything was reliable, bro. I got the cruise control and everything. And I haven't had no problems with the car. I literally love this car, bro. This is my dream car right here. You know what I'm saying? I wanted a Hellcat 300. But I'm like, you know what? Let me be different. Let me get the 5.7, you know what I'm saying? Which is a rare car. It's actually hard as hell. I actually have to travel 6 hours to get this. I had to go to Kentucky and get this in Kentucky because we had none in Missouri. In the state of Missouri, the whole Missouri, there wasn't one V8 Chrysler 300. So we have to go to Kentucky, bro. So I'm like, let me get this rare ass car and let me just build on it. You feel me? Let me build on it. It's windy as fuck right now. I've seen a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, swap their cars. I wanted to do something different and build it. So that's what, you know what I'm saying, if y'all want to see me, you know what I'm saying, build this thing, you know what I'm saying, to a motherfucking hell, dog, make sure y'all subscribe and drop a like on this video because I need all the likes. I need all the views for some money. I'm broke right now. But yeah, those are the only problems I've had with the car so far. I haven't had no other problem. Oh, also tires. You got to change your tires. I think I need some new tires right now, actually. But that's from sliding, burnouts, and stuff like that, bro. But that's, you know what I'm saying, that's with any car. If you don't slide or nothing, you have no problems with the tires. They going to last you a while. You going to be good. But yeah, man, I just need to clean my car, you know what I'm saying? But nothing is wrong, bro. Nothing is wrong. I changed the steering wheel, you know what I'm saying? Got a crack on the window, but that's from rocks, you know what I'm saying? That's not the car's fault. But yeah, this thing been holding up, bro. I really love this car. I want to keep this car forever. You know what I'm saying? I hope this thing holds up. Make sure you just get your regular oil changes and stuff like that. You won't have any engine problems. Make sure you please do your oil changes. That's for any Mopar car, bro. Any V8. Get your oil changes, bro. Do not blow your engine up. Yeah, man, like I said, those are the problems I'm having with the car. I got the long two headers on. I had it for about 2 days. I have not having any problems. You know what I'm saying? The car just loud as hell now. That's pretty much it. And now we're gonna talk about the good things about the car. So the number one good thing about this car, you're gonna turn heads, bro. When you have a 5.7 HEMI or a 6.4 Chrysler, bro, it's just different, bro. Like, it just looks different. You change the hood on it, and you Gucci, bro. Like, it's just a different looking car. You see Dodge. No diss to all my Chargers, my Challies. All my dogs got one. A lot of them, bro. Y'all already know it's a lot of them. You go to a car meet, what you gonna see the most? You feel me? But the Chrysler, bro, is just a unique look, bro. I love it. And it's gonna turn some heads, bro. You feel me? It's gonna turn some heads. And it's a different type of Mopar, bro. Especially when you build it and make it, you know what I'm saying, to your liking, you feel me? Bitches love it. It's just that simple, bro. The car just gonna attract the bitches. It's gonna attract, you know what I'm saying, some compliments and stuff like that, bro. You can't go wrong with it, bro. That's the number one good thing about it, bro. It's just a great looking car, bro. The second good thing about it, bro, it has a lot of space. Like, I don't know if y'all know that, but these have way more space than your Charger and your Challengers, believe it or not. The back seat, bro, is actually huge as hell. You can actually recline the passenger seat. I ain't gonna lie, I got so much bullshit in my car. I got drawers and shit. I don't know what the fuck going on, but shit, damn near live out my car, damn. Got tons of space compared to the Charger and the Chally. It's just good, bro. You got a nice amount of trunk space as well. So it's gonna do y'all justice, man. It's gonna do y'all justice. But yeah, with all my mods I added onto the car, like, that's another good thing about the car so far. 50K miles. I did a lot of mods. I changed the whole brake system and suspension on the car. I changed the steering wheel. I put long tube headers on, and I'm not having no problems, bro. Like, it's been a blessing, bro. Because I know a lot of people have been having a lot of problems with their Mopars when they do stuff to it. But I have had zero with this Chrysler, bro. Like I said, maybe it's because it's a newer gen Chrysler. It's a 2022. Maybe that's why, I don't know, but I haven't had no problems with this thing, bro, at all, bro, when it comes, you know what I'm saying, to mods or anything like that. So it's been very reliable for me. It's been a fun car, bro. And if y'all think about getting a Chrysler, I 100% recommend. Like I said, the newer gen, 2015 and up, I definitely recommend. I don't know about 2015 and down, bro. The older gens, I have no experience with those, but the 2015s to the 2023s, they have like the same chassis, the same everything pretty much. So everything is plug and play with the 2015s and up. 2015s and down, you're gonna have some different mechanical problems and issues. I know one of my boy Hayden, I think he had a 2011 5.7. He was having a whole bunch of electrical issues with his. So maybe it's just because I have a newer gen models, I'm not really having too many problems. But you're going to have tons of space. Basically, this car is like a luxury sports car. That's literally what I call a Chrysler 300, bro. A luxury sports car, a poor man's Rolls Royce. You feel me? Whatever you want to call it. But the thing is sweet, man. You cannot go wrong with this, bro. And it's growing on a lot of people, bro. It's growing on a lot of people. Because when people think of Chrysler, they think of the old man Chrysler with the steel wheels, you know what I'm saying? The old school bumpers and shit. But when you got the, you know what I'm saying, 300S or something, and you mod it, put an SRT bumper on an old gen, you swap it, whatever y'all want to do, just make it look like you know what I'm saying, a sports 300. The thing is clean as hell. And you still get the panoramic roofs and all the luxury items that you get with it, heated seats in the back, all that, bro. It's luxury as hell, and you still get the speed, bro. Like I'm gonna continue to say, if you think about getting a Chrysler, get a Chrysler, bro. Man, I don't want to hold y'all up too long, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just wanted to do a quick informational video. Though I had a couple people ask me, are they reliable? Yes, they are reliable. I haven't had no problems. The check engine light is on. I answered the clip to show y'all that it was off, you know what I'm saying, before. But, you know what I'm saying, we put the headers on, so it's going. But no engine light problems, none of that, bro. I have a tune and everything. Haven't had no problems. Everything's been working great. But don't second guess it, man. Save up y'all bread. Lock in if this what y'all want, you feel me? And I'm gonna be the one to tell you, y'all should get the Chrysler, bro, because that's what I did. I locked in, bro. My car broke down in 2022. My car broke down. I didn't have a car for like 2-3 months. Locked the fuck in, bro, and got this Chrysler right here, bro, and it's been a blessing since, man. So shout out to everybody who been, you know what I'm saying, watching your boy on the journey. If y'all haven't seen how, you know what I'm saying, the car started off, make sure y'all go check out the videos at the beginning of the channel. And then, you know what I'm saying, we here now with it, you feel me? Crazy thing, we not even halfway done with the car. That's the crazy part. We got a lot of engine mods we got to put in. We gonna do a wrap, you know what I'm saying? We gonna do a whole bunch, bro. We gonna do a whole bunch of traveling and stuff. Summer right around the corner, so we about to get lit, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. But yeah, like I said, man, informational video right here. Next video is either going to be the drifting with the headers or it's going to be the tune with the headers. You know what I'm saying? I haven't showed y'all the tune yet or anything. Underground tune with the headers. It's going to be insanely loud, bro. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram as well, man. If y'all got any questions, follow me on Instagram, 300dog on Instagram. I'm answering all DMs. I'm going to follow some people back as well. And also, I got some clips of the headers as well. If y'all want to hear the headers, it's on Instagram, so make sure y'all check that out. So basically, I'm going to just do a summary of everything I talked about, man. You know what I'm saying? It's very reliable car. Haven't had any transmission or engine problems. You know what I'm saying? Electronic problems. All my electronics work, radio work, everything works, bro. Perfectly fine. Even after my mods and everything I've done to the car, everything has been working very good at 53K miles. Only bad things about the car, you know what I'm saying? The panoramic squeaking just a little bit. What else? You're gonna need some wheel alignments. You're gonna need a lot of the wheel alignments. And that's pretty much it, bro. Honestly, my tie rods and control arms been bending, but that's because of the potholes I be hitting in St. Louis. So that's not a car problem. So yeah, there really only like 2 problems I've been having with the car technically. You know what I'm saying? It's been expensive. I guess that's a problem. It's been expensive as hell. Doing the mods, you know what I'm saying? Repairing the car, you know what I'm saying? From the potholes and changing tires, oil changes. Yeah, it's expensive. So I will let y'all know that. It is expensive but this is for any car. Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, any Mopar, any V8, BMW, it's going to be high. You know what I'm saying? If you get a V8 car, you're going to be spending a lot of money. It's just that simple. It comes with every car. No V8 is not going to take no maintenance. So, yeah, man, just do your standard maintenance. You know what I'm saying? Your standard wheel alignments, tire rotation, not tire rotations, change your tires, or tire rotations too. But, you know what I'm saying? Just do your regular stuff, and the car is going to treat you well. You treat the car nice, it's going to treat you nice. Long story short, that's basically what I'm trying to say. You're going to attract the women. You know what I'm saying? You're going to be fast. You know what I'm saying? Depending, you know what I'm saying, if you mod your car or not. With the 5.7 stock, you know what I'm saying? It's a 5.7 V8 engine, you know what I'm saying? Ain't the fastest compared to the cats and stuff, but, bro, you faster than 95% of the cars on the road, even with just a 5.7 alone. So if you start to mod your 5.7 like I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? You're just going to be a different breed. Or if you go 6.4, or if you swap to the 6.2, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You're going to have the speed regardless. It's a different looking car. I had people from all races. I had an Indian dude come up to me telling about he ain't never seen a Chrysler like this. Like, it's just different, bro. Because people are used to the old school looking Chryslers, you know what I'm saying? Not the sports looking Chrysler. You know what I'm saying? The sports look is a whole different ball game. You feel me? That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope I didn't repeat myself too much. It's not that much to talk about, you know what I'm saying, bad about the car, because it's not that much going bad with the car. You know what I'm saying? So your boy Dog's been lucky. I've been having a great experience with the Chrysler. Now, I will say, when you start putting boost on your car, like what I'm going to do, you might start having a little couple problems, but that's with any car. If you boost any car, you're going to have some problems. But if you're going to keep your Chrysler stock, or you're just going to put some, you know what I'm saying, just if you do straight pipe or anything like that, that's not going to do nothing wrong with the car. You're going to be fine. But once you start adding headers, adding cams, adding pro chargers, adding all that crazy stuff, you might have a couple problems. But if you ain't going to do all that, you're going to be straight, I promise you. But yeah, this baby been holding up for me. You know what I'm saying? Cool look 300 done. You know what I'm saying? Cool look. They're gonna put a little sports mode. Yeah, like I said, engine light on. Oh shit, I'm in park like a dumbass. I'm tripping. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure y'all subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all subscribe. Drop a like, drop a comment. I'm about to go take a thumbnail picture real quick. You know, Kizzy. Take a thumbnail picture up here. Ooh. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, behind the scenes right here. This gonna be the thumbnail right here. We're gonna park the car diagonal. Had a little building in the back. Boom, on me. Bam, I'm gonna get a quick thumbnail real quick on my soul. Cool little quick thumb. And that's it for today's video, man. I love y'all, man. I appreciate everybody support y'all, boy. It's windy as fuck up here. I hope y'all can hear me. Hey, make sure y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. And I'm out this thing, man.